Debt makes rich people richer and poor people poorer, not because debt is evil, but because of what the debt buys. Most people use debt to buy liabilities, things like expensive phones, bikes, luxury shopping, or things that lose value over time. And every month, the EMI takes money out of their pocket. The item gets older, its value drops, but the debt stays. Now compare that to how rich people use debt. They also borrow money, but instead of buying liabilities, they buy assets, businesses, rental properties, cash flow generating investments, things that put money into their pocket every month. So instead of paying the loan from their salary, the asset itself helps pay the debt. Same system, same debt, completely different outcome. One creates stress, the other creates wealth. Debt is not what keeps people poor. Using debt to buy liabilities is.